But thanks to physicians and cosmetic surgeons like Dr. Usha Rajagopal and the advances in laser technology, you'll no longer have to live with tattoo regret.
The best way that we know of is actually to use lasers for tattoo removal. You go ahead with the laser, you apply laser, it breaks down the pigment. The pigment gets eaten up by what's called macrophages. Those are white cells found in our bodies. When you have lighter skin tones, it's easier to remove a tattoo because you can actually crank the laser up and use a higher power. And the laser doesn't burn the skin. Whereas if you had a darker skin tone, if you do that, you'd actually burn the skin in addition to removing the tattoo.
Treatment time depends on size and color.
If, for example, it's a 1 by 1 inch tattoo, then it takes about 5 to 10 minutes. If it's a black tattoo, that's the easiest to get out, probably 4, maybe 5 sessions. If it is a blue or a pretty teal color, it can be 10, 12, 14 sessions.
And the results?
The natural progression is just fading of the tattoo. When I say it's a good result, we call, it's more of a fading. It's nearly gone. You can still see a shadow of it. It's very rare to be completely gone without any trace.
Joy Chintana Road turned to Dr. Rajagopal at the San Francisco Plastic Surgery and Laser Center when she felt the tattoo regret, a dragon on her upper back.
One, it was very visible, and it portrays a negative connotation for someone that doesn't know me. It's kind of a stereotype, so I just wanted to remove all of that.
But getting the dragon off her back wasn't painless.
So it felt like a rubber band snap. It's a continuous pain for probably about half hour or so. I would say it probably hurt maybe 2 or 3 times more than getting a tattoo done itself. I think it would be easy to conceal with makeup, but if someone looked closely, it was definitely still visible.
Still considering a tattoo? Think about some of the pros and the cons before you go under the needle.
Are the needles disposable? Are they using new needles every time? Are they licensed? You have to check up on their background to make sure they haven't had any problems. Think very carefully. Think of what you'll feel like in 10 years from now when your skin maybe isn't as tight and is sagging, and think of the location where you're going to get it. So generally I would say, I'm not going to say no tattoo at all. Small tasteful tattoo, I think is the best.